CompTIA's new Linux Plus is out, and today we're going to tell you what's important on the new exam that you should pay attention to. Stay tuned. Before we begin today's video, I want to let you guys know that this video is proudly sponsored by CompTIA. If you guys are looking to get more information on the CompTIA certifications and exams, check out the link in the description below. And if you guys are looking to learn more about some of these exams and you're looking for the perfect training platform, make sure you guys check out CertMaster Learn. You'll find a link for that in the description as well. But for now, let's get into the new Linux Plus. The new and improved Linux Plus XK0-004 is out. That means that you guys can start taking this exam right now. And if you guys are still studying for the old exam, the XK1-004, you have until October 1st of 2019. I also think it's important to note that the new Linux Plus certification is the only job-focused Linux certification that covers the fundamentals that IT managers are looking for. The new Linux Plus certification has multiple choice questions and performance-based questions that help identify Linux professionals. So what's new with the Linux Plus exam? The number one thing that I can tell you from my perspective is security is covered in depth. And one of the new things that you can find on the Linux Plus exam for security specifically is SE Linux. So CompTIA again raising the bar, showing more initiative to really focus on security in today's IT world. You guys are going to have to know and understand kernel modules, so those will be covered in depth in the new Linux Plus exam. So make sure you check out the exam objectives and understand what needs to be covered for these kernel modules. Storage and virtualization is going to be covered more in depth as well. As you guys know, Linux is everywhere. A majority of the servers out on the internet are hosted from a Linux server. So having a good understanding of virtualization with Linux and the storage capabilities behind that is going to be very beneficial for you. So make sure you take a look at that as well. Another new area that you're going to find on the Linux Plus is the basics of DevOps. Here you're going to learn more about Git and automation. And again, that is another area in the IT industry that is really going to have a lot more focus. Automation is really big nowadays, so make sure you guys pay attention to that. Another area that you're going to find a lot of emphasis in now is networking. You guys are going to have a greater understanding of security and firewalls. So make sure you guys take a look at those exam objectives as well so you can understand what they're looking for with the networking portion of the Linux Plus exam. You're also going to see more cloud objectives on the exam. As we said earlier, Linux is everywhere, so you're really going to have a good understanding of the server-side management, as well as how the command line and terminal work within Linux operating systems. And last but not least, they're putting more into troubleshooting on the Linux Plus exam. This is something that is really important to me because this really helps validate that you have the skills to become a Linux professional by being able to troubleshoot the different distributions of Linux. So I hope this video helped answer any questions that you might have had about the new Linux Plus certification. If you guys have any other comments or questions, make sure you guys leave a comment below. And if you guys want more information on CompTIA's new Linux Plus certification, make sure you guys check out the link in the description. That's all I got for you guys today. As always, take it easy.